Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. So today I am going to make mixed vegetable in an easy way. So let's cook. Take a pan and add oil. So then add sliced onions and saute for a minute until translucent. Once the onion changes its color, so then add chopped garlic. Saute for a minute again. Give it to a very good mix. So then add chopped ginger and saute for a minute again. When they change its color, then add tomatoes and stir very well and saute for a minute again. Then add green chilies chopped and give it to a good mix. Then add salt, red chili powder and a turmeric powder. So then stir until well combined. So then add fresh peas and give it to a good mix. Then add little water in it, stir, cover and cook until peas are tender. So then remove the lid and check the peas. When the peas cook little, then add chopped carrot, stir and cover again until carrots are tender too. Then remove the lid again. At this point, check the carrots too and then add potato cubes. Then give it to a good mix and then add water in it, stir, cover and cook until potatoes are cooked well. Remove the lid, stir well and then add chopped spinach. So then again give good mix and simmer for about 5 minutes at low flame. Then give little mix. So then serve and enjoy and garnish with fresh coriander leaves. So guys, if you enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.